See, I created this particular character, and this character is pretty awesome. He matches well with one of the other characters I made, but my phobia comes into play. I feel like I've seen this character before for some strange reason. Okay, step one. When I created Raz, I wanted him to look menacing, bully type. I like the stretched out white beater I gave him, the shadows that popped a little bit. It kind of told you about his background a little bit there. How he doesn't have like a six pack or nothing like that. He doesn't have, he's just very broad. He's very big. But the sunglasses never, I don't know why I gave him sunglasses. I think it was because the reference I had was kind of dull, and the pig's eyes are like really, really small. So like you can't really tell like where they're looking. So I kind of give him glasses just so that way I can kind of make it a little bit realistic. Yes, proceed to the next chapter, please. Yeah, sorry about that. Evans, proceed. Yeah, sorry about that. We're continuing the chapter. I'm sorry. I was looking at something. Anyway, to continue what we were talking about. What I did was I went ahead and erased the sweet face of Raz the Pig, or what seemed to be the rest of him. I drew sort of outlines of where his traps meet and where his head should be placed. On the off chance I tried to look for a Pinterest reference, I couldn't really find anything that was really like attention grabby or gravitational, so I just kind of came up with my own face or, head. I think I had a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to play out this segment for as little as I can. This video kind of made my phone overheat, so apologies there. This was awesome. Sorry, this is the part where I started to kind of mess up here. I knew what I wanted to do. It turned out pretty good in the first half, but like in the second half, I kind of got carried away with like making it not look like a regular guy. I wanted him to look kind of animalish, No, well, I think he looks good. He could be used for a new test subject. No, okay. We're not gonna do that. This character's already starting to grow on me right now, especially with the black eyes. I gotta turn this fan down just a little bit. It's a little hot in here. I redesigned him so much, but because of some effect, I tried to make the proportions like very, very closely together. It's different for me to redesign something that I've already drawn, and it kind of cringed to do it because of the hard work I put on to this character months and months and months ago. I thought it was pretty cool though. He looks really good. Like I said, it's a compliment to Mesh. This is his brother. I want his brother to be, just as menacing looking as him. I'm impressed. Very impressed. I guess calling it my phobia was a little bit too dramatic, but I think what I should do is just give homage and appreciate an awesome character design when I see one, because this is so as like 90s aesthetic punk rock, it gives off that vibe, and I love it so much. And I love the fact that they made it like realistic as possible, and that was why I love this movie. Why was Tyler Perry in that movie? I don't know.
Oh, y'all got jokes, huh? But let's see how funny you are after we bash your heads in.
In recreating Raz the Pig, I confronted my phobia. This fear that uniqueness was scarce, that every character had to stand out or be swallowed by sameness. But in that tension, like a shadow beside the light, I found a new path, where Raz, now echoing Bebop, is no longer just a copy, but a bold fusion of fear and transformation. My takeaway is that scarcity of uniqueness is only a phobia if we let it be. Once we face it, we can reshape what we create.
sounobs